Engine is the digital token of the network and permits you to develop your NFTs. Enabled by the Ethereum blockchain, they are ERC20 tokens. This invariably means that smart contracts can also be generated and accepted upon using these coins. In circulation, ENJ can be purchased, consigned, swapped, or switched for fiat currencies anytime. The coin does not just cause curiosity among the gamer circle, but also allure the attention of many investors. Furthermore, what will be the possible estimation of the Engine coin price by the end of the year? Will gamification be on cards throughout the world? Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Facts. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. It helps you to get notified when we post more content just like this. Let's get into the video. Is Engine Crypto an undervalued investment opportunity? Engine Coin is a cryptocurrency that has acquired a lot of traction as an NFT project in 2021. Currently, Engine is still around the 70th ranking. Engine's down around 10%, and we're at $1.2 basically. I was still at around a $1 billion market. Engine's circulating supply is still around 1 billion, and taking a look at the price chart again to multi-year accumulation ranged with a large breakout of this multi-year accumulation range. When we take it off the log chart, it does look like a massive pump and dump essentially. But when you zoom out, it just shows a series of higher lows from a macro perspective. Engine seems to be still very bullish. This corrective range isn't like we're coming back to retest the top of the previous all-time highs, but quite frankly, in my view, this is a multi-year accumulation range breakout. The gaming community progressed in 2009 with around 200 million users in no time, but the Engine coin was first announced in July 2017, followed by an ICO and raised $18.9 million. Thereafter, the launch of the Ethereum mainnet happened in June 2018. ENJ is in utilization across different websites and online games. The coin is adaptable to various other digital exchanges like game items or in-game gold. Maxim Blagov and Wojtek Radomski were the hands behind this rising gamification platform to land themselves in the crypto market. ENJ is a digital store value and backs the value of blockchain assets like non-fungible tokens or NFTs. The token is capped at 1 billion. After the blockchain technology became sought after, Radomski, the co-founder of the network, decided to bring the blockchain to Engine. Additionally, he became keenly focused on Ethereum and smart contracts, and he even wished to develop a blockchain integrated software, and that very point allowed access to the world's first blockchain-based gaming platform. The non-fungible tokens or NFTs have become a crucial part of the crypto markets, supported by many crypto companies working and enhancing crypto projects. One of the most fascinating NFT projects that have received a lot of recognition lately is the Engine ecosystem. The Engine platform uses Ethereum-based cryptocurrency Engine Coin or ENJ to directly support the value of next-gen NFTs generated on the Engine platform. Please watch the video till the end to know more about the Engine project and Engine coin price prediction. As per Cryptomat, the Engine project was developed as a complete ecosystem that offers a large range of products to developers who want to use the platform to develop their own projects. The Engine network can be utilized for the creation, issuance, depository, and trade of tokenized digital assets. There are already a lot of projects on the Engine platform, mostly concentrated on gaming and enterprise. Engine users can use the platform to create Engine coin-backed digital assets, tokens or NFTs, and apply them on their own platforms, in the form of NFT artworks, cryptocurrencies, or even as a digital currency for video games. An Engine client has begun utilizing the Engine platform to tokenize the commercial real estate properties. NFT real estate has become a transpiring field in the crypto sphere. Investors who wish to purchase Engine coin can do so by purchasing it for crypto exchanges. The Engine network allows game developers to tokenize any in-game assets or items. For doing this, the native token ENJ and ERC20 token is in use. To explain it further, any blockchain asset inbuilt in a game can be supported by the Engine token. Hence, when any player unseals stuff, they can not only use them in-game but also trade and sell them in exchange for ENJ tokens. Looking at an opposite perspective, if you wish to purchase ENJ tokens, then search them out for crypto exchanges. CoinMarketCap quotes Binance, Uniswap, Bithumb, Balancer, and many more. If you aren't a gamer, yet would like to trade Engine coins, do go through these exchanges to trade ENJ for Bitcoin, USD, Euro, Ether, Tether, and a few other cryptocurrencies. For every asset that is made within the network, a part of ENJ moves as a minting asset. In other words, every digital asset is sealed with ENJ tokens inside NFTs. By that, a chunk of the token goes terminated from circulation, attaching a reserve value to it. Not just NFTs with the Enjin Beam, transmitting of both NFTs and FTs is now feasible by scanning a QR code. A rising doubt about the security of the network is certain, as the tokens are supported by the Ethereum blockchain and smart contracts. The altcoin goes after the POW consent mechanism like most other cryptocurrencies. As it works on the Ethereum blockchain, you will not be able to stake ENJs and can just mine them. Minting the tokens assists with in-game stuff, helps in enhancing transparency, and converts them as anti-inflationary coins. Adding to it, the coins possess a melting mechanism where a user can flatten the blockchain asset and acquire the tokens from within. Enjin Coin was introduced in the year 2021 with a trading price of 0.13 cents. On a bullish note, the price began to surge further and is trading at $3.48. The latest ATH is $4 that yielded in April. Backing this, Enjin rose significantly with $2 figures by May. Nevertheless, on May 19th, the price crumbled, sinking from $1.89 to $1.20. The ENJ price has not yet recovered from the market crash and continues to be static. Enjin Coin may trade at $1.589 by the end of 2021 on average, with consistent purchasing and trading pressures. However, the coin might skyrocket if the community focus on decreasing the transaction fees. Also, with a wide trend of the Enjin Smart Wallet, the coin may reach its high at $2.851 with future gains. On the other hand, the TPS is only 30, which may prove to be a setback, dragging the coin to minimums at 0.650 cents. If this year ends on a bullish note, then the 2022 trade might start with an uptrend at $2.907. On the other hand, if the ENJ coin reaches the bottom flank, then the next year may start with a bearish trend at 0.659 cents. The community could focus on revolving around the gaming industry. If Enjin improves its platform by introducing flexibility and continuous transparency, Enjin may steer a $4.989 mark by the end of 2022. To contradict, if the market crashes again due to discussions about POW, then ENJ price may also return back to $1.715. If this does not occur, the average figures by the end of 2022 seem rational and may reach $2.805. What do you think about such speculations about Enjin this year? Do let us know in the comments section below. Hitting the like button will motivate us to improve and be better in every upcoming video, and subscribing to our channel will engage us to create more astonishing videos that'll bring valuable information to you all. Thank you all.